Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to find TikTok Shop on PC. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to find TikTok Shop on PC, the best method is to simply use TikTok Shop via your web browser. So although TikTok Shop is primarily mobile focused, it can still be accessed by PC using the official TikTok website. So all you need to do is simply go to your TikTok app, like your website on your web browser, log into your TikTok account using your credentials like email, phone number, or any other social logins. And in the search bar, simply type TikTok Shop or a specific product, brand, or store name. So once you have done this, you need to filter your results by clicking the Shop tab. If it is available, as it is just an optional option, or look for the shopping bag icon next to the videos or profiles. So this way you can simply find TikTok Shop on PC. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.